One last equation to write for the graph of a hyperbola. So we're going to do the same thing we did with the other ones, and that is to find, try to find the center at least. And at first glance, it looks like it might be right here, but what you need to do is go to each one of your vertices and try to find the point that's halfway in between those. And if we look at that point, we can sneak this up a little bit so you can see the whole thing. The center is going to be, in this case, at -4, and it's down 1. So this is -4, -1. Definitely opens left and right, so we can do our x term first. We're going to write the opposite of whatever the x coordinate is of the center, square it. We'll figure the rest of this out later. And this is kind of similar to example 7, just the way I'm doing this one. Example 8 was a little bit different. For example 8, we figured everything out first and then wrote it all down. It doesn't really matter whichever way that you'd like to do it. So this one's going to be y plus 1, quantity squared. That's all going to be equal to 1. A squared is definitely going to go under this spot here. So if we look at the distance between the center and one of these vertices from -4 to -2, that's 2, and 2 squared is 4. To find the value of b, we need to draw the asymptotes. So I'll try to do the best job that I can in drawing these asymptotes. I'm not sure if this is going to work or not. Well, maybe this will be good. And again, oftentimes you're just going to be given that that value of b, but I think this one will probably be pretty close. And so it looks like we're going to go through maybe this point and this point right here. We'll see if that's doable for us. And that looks pretty good right there. These edges will kind of keep creeping a little bit closer, you know, to this asymptote. It looks like, I hope it looks like, as we continue on. So anyways, what we need to do is we need to figure out this distance, which would be from here to here. So if we go from -1 down to -4, that's a distance of 3, and that value is b. So if we write that in our equation, that's going to be b squared, or in this case 9. So really all you need to do, if you needed to find the foci, you just add up 4 and 9, and that's 13. Square root of that is c, and you just need to add that to the appropriate part of the center, and you're good to go.